Here in the Netherlands, when it comes to the education system, there's definitely a wide choice of options available. But some people think there's a lack of real cutting-edge innovation.
Children at home are interactively, digital, multimedia, multitasking, and then they go to school and see how it was in the past. And I didn't want to bring my daughter every day to a museum under the pretense that we prepare her for the future.
Maurice de Hond and a group of volunteers set up the foundation O4NT, or Education for a New Era, which is behind the so-called Steve Jobs schools.
You need skills to live nowadays. The children learn that already at home. You need some skills also for the future, but don't divide it on all kinds of things. Make it a total concept.
But it's not just a question of high tech. Children work at their own pace, moving between classes as and when they like, using iPads loaded with educational apps which put them in control of the learning process.
All of a sudden I had an iPad in front of my nose. That's different from a book. At first I thought it was very nice. Then I thought, wow, an iPad. What can I do with it? Then I discovered all the games.
But some organisations think that improving teachers' skills is the way to improve the quality of education across the Netherlands.
First step for innovation in the Dutch school system is, again, have the teachers come out of their classrooms and share their knowledge. And then, when they look into new, more innovative methods and discuss how to introduce that in their own classroom, that is the second step.